Hello, everybody again. So let's continue our topic on GDP. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you get real life GDP data from a website called BEA. So I'm gonna go through step by step to explain how can you get real life data about the US GDP. Okay, so let's start. So let's go to Google. Okay, so the first step is type BEA. Okay, here. So BEA. Okay, so you will find this website, which is U.S. Bureau of Economic Analysis. So the website is www.bea.gov. Okay, so let's click on this website. Okay, so this is one of the most comprehensive websites for economic data. Okay, so you can feel free to browse this website. Okay, so, but here, let's see, click on data. Okay, and once you click on data, so you will find data by topic, and we are looking for GDP. So let's click on GDP. Okay, as you can see, so do you remember in the lecture I said what is the formula for GDP? It's consumer spending, which is C, plus investment, which is I, plus government spending, plus export minus import. So you will see GDP by industry, by state, so you can find the GDP by any state, by any metropolitan area, by county. But let's focus on the gross domestic product, the first one. Okay, so once you click on the GDP, let's go down and click on interactive data. Okay, once you click on interactive data, you will see GDP and the national income and product account historical tables. So let's click on this one. And then you will see a button which is called begin using the data. So let's click on begin using the data. Okay, you will see different sections. So let's click on section 1, domestic product and income. And then let's click on table 1.1.5. Okay, and this is what I want to show you. So as you can see, so this is the gross domestic product. I want to remind you with the formula again, is the personal consumption expenditure here. So this is the personal consumption expenditure. So this is C. So let's say, for example, so this is year 2020, and usually the market, the macroeconomics data are reported quarterly. So let's say, so quarter 3. So the personal consumption expenditure is this number. And as you can see, these numbers are in billions of dollars. Okay, so this means you should add 9 zeros. So this number, which is 14, it's not 14,401. So you are supposed to add 9 zeros. So this number should be said as 14.4 trillion. So this is how much the American people spend in 3 months. Okay, in quarter 3 in 2020. Okay, and then the second part of the formula is gross domestic private domestic investment. So this is I in the formula. Let's see here. So this is 368. So this means 3.6 trillion or has been spent in United States in quarter 3, in third quarter in 2020. And then let's see government consumption expenditure and gross investment. This is G in the formula. So as you can see, so this is 3.8 trillions. And then net exports of goods and service. United States has a deficit in this account for over the last maybe more than 20 years. So this is negative 36 billion, which means the exports are less than imports by this amount. So, but all what we care here in this table is to teach you how to find the gross domestic product, how to calculate it. So simply, this is G. I'm sorry, this is C, the consumption, if you add 14,401 plus I, which is 3,688, plus G, which is this number, 3816.6, and then minus export minus import, which is this number. So you will end up with this number, which is 21,170. So the GDP for United States in quarter number 3 in 2020 was 21.17 trillion. Okay, so and if you wanna report that data annually, so you can just click here. I just clicked here on modify, and then you can report the data as annual. Okay, so tables, as you can see, so you will see data for 2018 and 2019. Also, you can download the data on Excel file if you want to modify it again to quarterly. So refresh table. Okay, so if you download, okay, you can choose download to Excel or CSV or PDF or whatever. So you can download this data on an Excel file. Okay, so hopefully you'll find this video helpful too, and see you in the next video.